Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel 3S Aviary, and you are here to know about lovebirds mutations. Therefore, we have made up a lovebirds mutation guide so that it is easy to explore and understand the concept. In the wild, the natural color of lovebirds is normally green. On the other hand, the blue color acts as the base color. Now you can use several types of techniques and can do several color mutations depending upon the color of the lovebird, either green or blue. Understanding mutations is not difficult. Consider it as a family tree. Suppose you have blue and green lovebirds for breeding. Now you can expect multiple outcomes. You can get green, blue, green pied, blue pied, blue American cinnamon, green American cinnamon. Remember, the base color of any breed has a significant effect regarding mutations. There is also an important thing involved in the mutations called factors. There are two types of factors called the dark factor and the light factor. The dark factor is responsible for darkening the color. So now if a blue lovebird has one dark factor, then the resulting color will be medium blue, or if it will have two dark factors, then the end product will be slate color. It is also known as mauve color. Today my video topic is parbleu mutation. What is parbleu? They call it parbleu or yellow-face lovebird, but why is it so famous and precious? What is its origin and how do you create this breed? The first time a parbleu mutation gene was discovered by an American breeder, Felix Del Valle, in 2001. With the passage of time, many lovebird parbleu enthusiasts are arriving to import this type of lovebirds. So the strain is increasingly widely known. In the years that followed, more and more breeders breed lovebirds parbleu. Nevertheless, the number of commodities still cannot keep up with the huge market demand for this type of lovebird. So in terms of price, lovebird parbleu is still relatively stable. Lovebird parbleu, yellow face, comes from the word partial blue, which means derived from partial genes. This strain is arguably the latest strain that has been successfully cultivated. On the side, the lovebird is also commonly called lovebird yellow face. This is because it refers to the cause the colors is not easily found in the market. Parbleu gene mutation. The lovebird parbleu mutation gene is created from the blue series gene that does not eliminate cytosine in its entirety, so there are yellow feathers on the head and face. Parbleu genes are also formed from recessive genes commonly called blue posible parbleu. This means that the parbleu gene is not visually visible. It is clear that this type of gene is quite difficult to form. There is no visual difference between blue and blue posible parbleu, so the only way is by DNA testing. How to create parbleu in your breeding cage. Most of these genes lead to the type of lovebird blue pied, so if you dare to experiment, may be able to print the type of parbleu. We can see from the following crossing genes. Blue pied x parbleu equals blue pied. Parbleu x parbleu equals blue pied. That's why this bird is called the blue posible parbleu. But if you find there is blue pied x blue equals parbleu blue pied, that is called the blue posible parbleu that carries parbleu genes. Split parbleu. In the above section, we have told you that turquoise is a part of the blue, so we cannot say that they are different because they are still on a similar allele. The split parbleu patterns occur when we breed a turquoise lovebird with a standard green lovebird. When produced with a green lovebird, the green lovebird contains the expressive/dominant gene, so logically the offspring should be a green lovebird. But it also consists of the copy of an allele from turquoise lovebirds, which forms the split parbleu/turquoise pattern. If we breed a blue lovebird with a parbleu lovebird, the turquoise color will fade away. Possible split parbleu. Why is it called a possible split? Because we are not sure, the offspring will be parbleu or blue. It is obtained by breeding two parbleus. I know the expected family is parbleu, but they are not. Because we know from the cross pairings, the results can be in the form of blue lovebirds. The resulting parrot can carry the turquoise gene, or it will be blue, it depends on the crossing. Split and possible split mutation. It is a complicated mutation type to talk about, but it is obvious that turquoise is a part of the parbleu and is the mutation of parbleu. It is mainly the mutation of blue series lovebirds because it does not occur in the green series, and even in the parbleu, there are still some splashes of yellow on the feathers. So it is evident that turquoise/parbleu is a part of the blue and is the blue's mutation. There are three things we want to cover, and they are: split parbleu/turquoise, possible split parbleu/turquoise, broken parbleu/turquoise. We compiled these in the Lovebirds Mutation Guide because many people confuse them and do not know the differences. Friends, I am creating YouTube channel for promoting lovebirds hobby and making informative video for lovebirds fancier. So, it is